welcome back to Volcano Bay. It's been a few months because I was blocked out, but I figured we'd take a walk around and see if we can see anything interesting, see if I can speak clearly and not trip over my words. Blah, 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 blah. Let's jump right into the merchandise. This is $19.95. These are our new things since my previous update. This hoodie is new. Established 2017. Wow, so many years ago. And this is $55. And these are $30. For $35 you can get this new shirt. Multicolored, not really tie-dye, but kind of. $35 for the shirt. $40 for this large, now it looks like a sweatshirt, but it's actually a long sleeve t-shirt, but it's fairly thick. Again, that's $40. $40 for this bathing suit. I believe that's new as well. This thing is $25. It might not be new, but I don't remember it. That's a look at Krakatoa Katie's. Now we're gonna walk over to the Waturi Marketplace. Check out Bikini Tinky. Not a whole lot to show you. I showed you most of this on my previous update. Have an update for one person over there. I'll get to that in a comment in my previous video. These are really cool. What's new here is there's now a fuel rod station. And remember, it's $30 to purchase and $3 to swap. So I had a request is to show the brand of this product. I'm not sure. That's all I see here. But over here we have some new stuff, including Minions. This shirt, $25. Not bad. A lot of this stuff, if not all of this stuff, is also available at the other parks. They call them the dry parks. I say, have you been on Popeye and Bluto's Build Dry Barges? It's not very dry. $24.99. These are from Despicable Me 3. We had these over at Universal Studios and probably Islands of Adventure. I'm not sure if they're still there. $24.95 for these little figures. So again, not really new, although I don't remember seeing this one before. Again, that's $30 for the shirt. And vacay goals, $23. $25 for this Minion beach towel over here. There's most of it. Okay, here's something new. There was a People Drive before, but this is a new location. It's probably a second one. Still $5. Yep, still summer. Yep. There's still some signs of the hurricane preparation around here. There are supposed to be sails up there, but they haven't had a chance to put them back up after hurricane preps. After hurricane prep. Do believe this sign is new. New to me anyway. Recent addition over here is for shoes. Despite the fact that you can go on the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster with your sandals or your shoes, people always throw them off the side to make nice trip hazards because for some reason they feel like they have to. So you don't have to take off your sandals if you are going on here, and water shoes are fine too. I might have mentioned this before, but you can use your Tapu Tapu to activate things like this. But if you have an Apple Watch or want to use Apple Pay with your phone, it also works. It's kind of lame that they just kind of gave, these were lights and they had a lot of problems with them. It's kind of lame that it just kind of gave up on them instead of trying to fix them. What's this? A POG station that's open? Wow. Sales are still down over here at the Dancing Dragons. They'll be up very, very soon. I asked at all of the grills and all the menus of this, none of the menus have changed at any of the grills. So looks like my updates here at Volcano Bay are going to get less and less frequent because it's really less and less to show you. I can't go on the rides anymore with the cameras. and I think I've shown you everything I can find that is new or different here. There are no work walls up, which is nice. And so, sorry this video is short, but that is my look at Volcano Bay here on the 12th of September. I am going to leave here and go to Halloween Horror Nights. Woohoo! So, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. I'm just gonna eat something here, but I'm gonna get something at Three Broomsticks because it's delicious. Let me get the ribs because the ribs are amazing over there.